Now, breaking news at 5. We are learning details about a dozen Springhill Medical Center workers testing positive for C-19. Our Lee Peck standing by live with the late breaking news. Lee, what can you tell us?
Well, Byron, over the last 3 weeks, like you said, 12 employees here at Springhill Medical Center have tested positive for COVID-19. We understand that one of them has recovered and has returned to work. One had to be hospitalized, but is said to be doing fine right now. The others, most of them still at home recovering and self-isolating, as it is still within that 14-day window from when the symptoms came on. Now, according to the hospital, at least half of those employees were patient care employees, meaning some of them were nurses. Other were support staff in the hospital. They say since the onset of the pandemic, they've been asking all employees to call in if they show any of the classic symptoms of coronavirus. Of course, then tests are administered. And of their 1,200 employees, again, a dozen over the last 3 weeks have tested positive for coronavirus. Their CEO says they believe all of those cases are community related. Take a listen.
They're quarantined at home in the 14-day period. I will tell you something that's very interesting. We have 3 COVID units stood up here at Springhill. Not a single positive came from anybody who's working on the isolation units. So these are most likely community acquired.
Again, that was the hospital's CEO. He says most of these employees feel safe coming to work. They believe that the hospital is one of the safest places they can be at this time, of course, with all the measures being taken. You can see several employees on the outside of the hospital wearing masks. We're told that all of the patients are wearing masks, and anyone stepping inside the hospital has to get their temperature taken. So a lot of measures being taken here for the safety of their employees. Again, a dozen employees here at Springhill Medical Center turning up positive for COVID-19 over the last 3 weeks. We're going to have much more on this breaking story coming up for you tonight at 9 and 10. Reporting live from Springhill Medical Center, Lee Peck, Fox 10 News.